Hello students, this is Rachna Pandey. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine and beta also doing good in your life. Okay, so in today's class, in today's civics classes, we are going to continue the chapter number 7, which is urban administration. Okay. And our topic is departments of municipal corporation. Departments of municipal corporation. Okay. Our today topic is Department of Municipal Corporation and chapter number 7, urban administration. Okay, clear? In previous classes, we already learned about the city and about the wards, and also we learn about ward councillors. And I hope in yesterday classes we learn about municipal corporation and the works of municipal corporation. Okay, and what we learn in works of municipal corporation, we learn that there are so many works in municipal corporation, just like take care of street lights, take care of streets, like garbage collection, okay, take care of street lights, garbage collections, and also water supplies, for domestic uses and also for industrial uses. Water supply for domestic use and also for industrial use. We all know that water is very useful thing in also domestic life and also industrial life. Okay, industries may be water की ज़रूरत होती है और घरों में हम जनरली यूज़ करते हैं वाटर का बहुत सारी चीज़ों में। सो वाटर सप्लाई करने का कौन करता है? म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन। एंड कीपिंग द streets and the market is also the work of municipal corporation. Here and public health sanitation and solid waste management makes garden and also making it clean. So these are the works of municipal corporation. Okay. एंड बेटा जहाँ तक हम सभी जानते हैं ये सारे वर्क होते हैं म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के एंड वी एड मोर वर्क्स आल्सो इन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन व्हिच इज इन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन क्राइटेरिया। सो बेटा नाउ टेल मी इतने सारे वर्क सिर्फ एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन क्या इतनी आसानी से कर सकता है? नहीं कर सकता। इसके लिए इनको चाहिए बहुत सारे वर्कर्स। ओके, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन नीड्स सो मेनी वर्कर्स टू डू दैट वर्क्स। ओके, सो दे डिवाइड all the works in the department. Municipal corporation divided all the works in departments for the managing all works. Clear beta? Municipal corporation cannot manage all the works easily okay, cannot manage all the works easily, so they divided it into departments. Okay, so divided all the works into the departments. Clear, beta? And now we are going to discuss about the examples of the departments. The works of the city is divided into different departments. Okay, the works of the city is divided into different departments. We all know. For example, here is our first example. आपने कभी न कभी सुना होगा about this department, which is water department. Okay, water department. वाटर डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है? वाटर डिपार्टमेंट ये इंश्योर करता है कि वाटर्स कितने डोमेस्टिक यूज के लिए सप्लाई करने हैं और कितना अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर्स दे कैन सप्लाई फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पस. ओके, एंड द सेकेंड एग्जांपल ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट garbage collection. Okay, garbage collections also a work of municipal corporation, we all know. So there is a department which is garbage collection department. Okay, garbage collection department. और ये डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है? ये डिपार्टमेंट इंश्योर करता है सिटी में जितने भी प्लेसेस पे कूड़े रहते हैं उन सब का कलेक्शन करना और उनको साफ सुथरा रखना. क्लियर? So beta, I hope now you all clear, and there are many more examples related to the departments. Now you can take a screenshot. One more example is electricity department. Okay, now you can take a screenshot. ओके बेटा, जब म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन इतने सारे वर्क्स करती है एंड इतने सारे वर्कर्स को रखती है इन सारे वर्क्स को करने के लिए, तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं एक फाइनेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, ओके, वर्कर्स को देने के लिए। एंड दे म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन नीड मनी फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज works. And now we are going to discuss about the source of money, okay, the source of money for the implementation of all the works. We all beta providing and running so many service requires a lot of money, a lot of money. Providing and running so many services requires a lot of money. We all know. किसी भी सर्विस को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए हमें किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है? We need money. And municipal corporation also needs money to work to implementation of all the works. And the source of municipal corporation of money is for taxes, okay. ओके बेटा, सो म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन क्या करती है? म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन collect money municipal corporation collect money from taxes, from tax and etc. Municipal corporation collect money from tax. Municipal corporation टैक्स के द्वारा मनी को कलेक्ट करती है. एंड नाउ बेटा इन टुमारो क्लासेस वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट टैक्स and also In tomorrow classes we will explain what is text and the types of text. Okay, so beta, today our class is over. We will continue to chapter number 7, urban administration, in our next classes. Okay, so thank you class.